Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel in Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's begin. The lesson entitled How Can You Pronounce the Letters in Arabic Language. Today we have three letters. It's named He, Waw, Ye. Repeat after me, please. He, Waw, Ye. The first one is named He. How can pronounce this letter easily? He equal H in English. When I say help, he, help, holiday. And when you laughing, what you do? Ha, 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 ha. You can notice after them, wow, wow. How can pronounce this letter? Wow in Arabic equal W in English. When I say window, walk, the last letters in Arabic language is named yeah, yeah. How can pronounce this letter easily? Yeah in Arabic equal Y in English. When I say yellow, yellow, young, you. Again, I teach it to you today three letters only. It's named he, well, yeah. He, well, yeah. If you have any question, tell me in the video of comments and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.